Some IKEA products quietly do their job without ever stealing the spotlight. But once you discover them, they're hard to live without. These hidden gems are practical, well-designed, and often overlooked, even though they can make everyday life easier, more organized, or simply more enjoyable. Here's a curated selection of IKEA essentials that truly deserve more attention. 1. MACKSJÖN pull-down kitchen faucet with spray brass color. Designed for everyday efficiency, this kitchen faucet combines a high-arc gooseneck with a pull-down spray to reach every corner of the sink. Switch easily between an aerated stream and a powerful spray for cleaning or food prep. The durable PVD brass finish and ceramic cartridge ensure long-lasting, drip-free performance. 2. TOSTERÖ cover for outdoor furniture, table, and chairs. This waterproof cover helps protect a small outdoor dining set from rain, sun, dust, and pollen when not in use. It's a simple way to extend the life of your garden furniture and keep it ready to use without constant cleaning. Ideal for everyday outdoor protection in changing weather conditions. 3. An ENUDDEN hanger for door. White A smart solution for small spaces. This door hanger turns unused door space into practical storage. The covered back protects your door from scratches, while the clean white design fits easily into bathrooms or bedrooms. Ideal for hanging towels, clothes, or accessories without drilling or permanent installation. 4. VIDGA triple curtain rail with ceiling fittings. This flexible curtain rail system is designed for tricky spaces and layered window treatments. It can be mounted on the ceiling or wall and cut to the desired length. Using multiple curtain layers helps control light, improve privacy, reduce noise, and support better temperature regulation throughout the day. 5. BROGRUND riser rail with hand shower, chrome-plated. This adjustable shower set offers a relaxing experience with wide, even spray coverage and a stronger mesh spray option for thick hair. The height-adjustable rail adds comfort, while the integrated water flow washer helps save water and energy. The chrome-plated surface is durable, sleek, and easy to clean. 6. ASPEKT knife sharpener, black, compact, and easy to use. This knife sharpener helps maintain sharp, efficient blades for everyday cooking. It's designed for simple handling and quick touch-ups, making it ideal for home cooks who want safer, more precise cutting without complicated tools or professional equipment. Easy to store and always within reach. 7. KLIPPKAKTUS storage box for fridge clear. These clear, stackable fridge boxes help bring order to crowded shelves. Ideal for fruits, vegetables, drinks, or small containers. They maximize space while keeping food visible. The lid protects against odors, and the built-in handle allows you to label contents and dates for better food tracking. 8. VAPPEBY Bluetooth speaker, white. This compact Bluetooth speaker delivers clear, powerful sound for its size and is easy to use at home or on the go. With Spotify Tap, simple controls, and optional battery compatibility, it adapts to different listening needs. Buy two for stereo sound or hang it to save space. 9. IKORNNES floor mirror, ash. This full-length mirror combines function with warm, natural design. The integrated hook behind the mirror lets you hang tomorrow's outfit or lightly worn clothes, helping reduce clutter. Suitable for most rooms, including bathrooms. It also includes a safety film to minimize damage if the glass breaks. Ten. PURRPINGLA laundry bag, beige designed for everyday practicality. This large laundry bag makes collecting and transporting clothes easy. The drawstring closure hides laundry while allowing airflow, and the moisture-resistant interior protects against dampness. With short and long handles, it's ideal for shared laundry rooms, laundromats, or compact living spaces. IKEA's hidden gems prove that smart design doesn't always shout for attention. From small storage solutions to functional home upgrades, these products blend usefulness, durability, and thoughtful details. If you're looking to improve your space without overcomplicating things, these under-the-radar finds are worth adding to your home. They quietly make a real difference.